Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome in your English class. Dear student, today we are going to revise story number 11, The Sorcerer Apprentice. Word synonym. Word sorcerer. Synonym magician. Word apprentice. Synonym trainee. Word bear. Synonym plan. Word step. Synonym high or sharp. Word priest. Synonym sit. Word spells. Synonym magical words. Word crash. Synonym squeeze. Questions and answers. What happened to the crops in the village? Answer. The crops in the village disappeared just before harvest time. Question number 2. Why did James decide to go and where did he end up? Answer. James went to the sorcerer castle to find out who had taken all the crops and ended up being his apprentice. Dear student, your homework is memorize word synonym and also memorize question number 1 and question number 2 with the spelling. Send your memorization work with the spelling in WhatsApp group. Hope you understand. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.